Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log time in Zoho Projects. All right. I'm going to be showing you how to add in or how to manually log time, and also by using the live timer and also the weekly time logging. Okay. So first up, the manual time logging. Well, what you'll do is just go ahead over to the specific project. Okay. Here on the left panel, let's say, for example, this project right here. Now go ahead and click on Access Project. Now, once that's done, we have here the tab. Okay. Just click on time logs. Now just go ahead and add in a time log right here, or add a time log in this section. Okay. Let's say, for example, this specific task, the log hours, for example, maybe 2. There you go. That is now added. If you want to add it to more time log, just click on add time log right here. Okay. And the build type right here will be seen as well, and the approval status. Okay. Now, another option, again, the live timer. Now, just go ahead over to the left panel as well. We have here the timesheet module. Click on it. Now, just go ahead and click on create a timesheet. Okay. And here, just go ahead and select the project. For example, this project, a customer. If you have one, just select from this drop down, and the billing type, is it billable or non-billable? Time period right here. Is it for a week, a day, or month? Or a custom range. Okay. Let's say just for a week. Okay. Create. Now go ahead and send this one for approval. And by the way, you have here at the top right, the timer. Okay. Just click on it, select from one of your tasks, and just start the timer. Now the other option, or the last option, is a weekly time logging. Okay. The left panel, here we have time logs. Just click on it. Now you can go ahead and add in a time log in here or at the top right. Okay, add time log, select from one of your projects. Now select the task or issues right here. I'm just going to go ahead and select the same task. The time log information, select the date, maybe today. Daily log right here. Just go ahead and click on set start and end time. Okay, maybe from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. And once that's done, just click on add right here, and you're good to go. All right, and there you have that. That is how you log time here in Zoho Projects. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.